In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com with an incredible new feature. Whether you're juggling several tasks at once or need to oversee various team endeavors simultaneously, this guide will help you optimize your workflow using Monday.com. First, it's essential to organize your projects effectively, and that begins with setting up your boards. It's highly recommended to have one high-level overview board as well as dedicated boards specific to each project. This setup ensures that you have easy access to all your project management tasks, allowing for a more streamlined and efficient process. Next, if you're just starting, head over to Monday.com. You'll need to sign in, which is simple. Just click on the sign in button located in the upper right corner of the screen. If this is your first time signing in, you'll be asked to do so using the Gmail account connected to your business. Returning users, however, will be directed straight into their Monday workspace. Once signed in, you'll want to create a new workspace intended primarily for the projects at hand. Within this new workspace, add a board and start with a template. In the search box, type Project Plan and select the basic project management template. By clicking Use Template, you'll gain access to a comprehensive system that includes helpful tips and advice for managing your projects more effectively. The Project Overview tab is where you can delve deeper into each project. Here, you can input detailed information about the project, assign team members, establish goals, and outline your plans. This space serves as a crucial hub for communication and project tracking. The final board in your setup is an actual template designed for project tracking at a high level. It provides a panoramic view of all ongoing activities, making it easier to monitor progress and maintain oversight. Another useful tip is to duplicate the board for any additional projects you have. This approach centralizes all your project information within a single platform, streamlining resource allocation and decision making. Many projects, although different, follow similar patterns. Identifying these patterns can help you standardize your processes and operations, significantly saving time when managing multiple projects. Instead of approaching each project from scratch, leverage templates and checklists that enable you to start quickly and efficiently. By standardizing your methods, you can ensure consistency and coordination across different teams and projects, ultimately enhancing productivity and achieving your project goals smoothly. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to handle multiple projects in Monday.com effectively. Happy managing!